From the Tarot in Real Life series, here are 5 fun ways that the Lover's Tarot card can manifest in our everyday lives. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more insightful content. Now let's jump right in. Number 1. Have you ever found yourself in a delightful dinner dilemma, torn between tempting options? Let the Lover's card be your guide in navigating the flavorful landscape of daily choices and partnerships. Number 2. Picture this. You and your special someone planning a spontaneous weekend getaway. That excitement and shared decision-making? Yep, that's the Lover's energy guiding your choices for an unforgettable adventure. Now for 3, let's talk about family influences. Whether it's adopting a pet or choosing a family activity, the Lover's card reflects the harmony and unity in these choices. Number 4. Ever faced a tough career decision? Maybe you're torn between job offers. The Lover's card often mirrors professional choices, highlighting the need to find balance and alignment with your true passions. Lastly, number 5. Let's touch on personal growth. The Lover's card can symbolize self-discovery and the choices we make together to evolve. Maybe it's signing up for that yoga class, or finally starting that project that you've been dreaming about. So, there you have it. 5 fun ways the Lover's Tarot card can pop up in your everyday life. It's not all about romance with the lovers, it's also about self-love, unity, and collaboration. If you enjoyed this video, show love by giving it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment about your favorite tarot experiences. Until next time, keep embracing the magic in the ordinary. Stay tuned for more tarot and real-life insights, and always remember that you are amazing. Visit guidesofwisdom.com for more info.